Hey guys, this is Adam from Hart Customs. Wanted to show you a custom build I just finished up for a client. It's from the first Ant-Man movie. As you can see, it's pretty detailed. This is a very challenging build, which I enjoy doing custom stuff like this. But as of like the ones on set of Marvel, they have 5 or 6 different helmets that do all different things. Like one doesn't have the face piece and the mouthpiece, and one has a built-in shield that lifts up and down. But I wanted to incorporate that all into one helmet. And at first I didn't think it was possible, but I was able to knock it out just through AutoCAD and actually seeing the parts move and go up and down, and then just trial and error. On the helmet, I wanted everything to be functional and actual working components. So I installed LED lighting on the inside to light up the eyes and then light up the antenna. It has a switch right in here. You simply switch and turn it on and off. That lights it up nice. And then for the main face piece, I wanted it to lift up and down. So I had to install motor mounts on both sides, and I built in a custom switch on the side that lifts up, and then you mash it again to fall down. Overall, this build took me about 90 hours. It's definitely a fun and challenging build. Haven't done anything like this before, but I think it turned out pretty good for a helmet. Like all my other custom products I build in my shop, I always like to test it out before I send it to the client. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it, or if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks.